Okay, hello people. I wanted to show to you a very important video tutorial how to create a thick polygon, because when you use 3ds Max you have got shell modifier, so you can apply thickness to polygon, and but in Softimage this works differently. Okay, we will extract polygon. We need to copy this polygon. Duplicate polygons. Extract polygon, delete. And after you perform those operations, you have to do another step. Make sure you select extracted polygon and main polygon and use freeze command. This deletes previous history, like previous operators, because Softimage is like Maya, that you have to use command delete history, because both programs has construction history, so you have to clean up mesh after when you do polygon operations. Okay, we will have to fix our polygons. Wait a minute. I will have to I just have to select vertices, because I have to fix my polygon because it's not straight. After when I select all the points, I will then show you how to add the thickness, but I need a couple of minutes to adjust my polygons. And another step, I will have to use local to be able to scale to inside. Okay people, I'm ready to show to you what I will use next. You go to Polymesh, then you add one of the options, like apply thickness. In 3ds Max, you call this shell. You can also add bevel ratio. Sorry, someone was talking to me. I shouldn't talk to someone else when I'm publishing video tutorial. You can see I could also add bevel option at the same time. Bevel ratio. But now you have to use freeze modeling and freeze selected. This deletes output history. Okay, next step, I will have to assign material. In my previous video tutorials, I told you that sorry, excuse me, someone. I told you that program supports cycles render engine. Okay, now I have to show to you in preferences a shader ball. We got cycles render. I also have look score render, but I don't use look score render because cycles is vector. Sorry, excuse me. I will show to you render options. I don't want to talk about it because I was publishing video tutorials before. I just wanted to show to you, and it is also fast because I'm using graphics card. You can either use a processor or graphics card at the same time. Even if you select a graphics card, you can still have beautiful and clean image, but this video tutorial is mainly about how to add thickness to polygon. I think in next video tutorial I will talk to you how to bridge between polygons, because I found a very good solution and I want to publish video tutorial about that. I hope you like my video tutorial. If you are interested in where to download the add-ons, you can download. Because this still supports Blender's cycles render engine. Someone wrote a plugin for Softimage, because I don't use mental ray, but I wanted to show to you that you can download lots of plugins. Oh, I forgotten about something. Sometimes they update plugins. Wait a minute, where's look score render? I thought that I would be able to... oh yes, I found it. I have to check it. Oh no, this is old version. You also have this file. This plugin will allow you to import Blender materials, because they discontinued this application some time ago. Autodesk unfortunately killed that software, which made me sad. I still prefer Blender, but this application is also good. When you work, it is very fast, it is stable, it doesn't crash so often like Maya or 3ds Max. And I'm working on my project, and I'm modeling Suzuki car. Still lots of work to be done, and I don't know when I finish this. Hopefully maybe after 1 week or month, I don't know, because I don't have time to model, to spend hours. Anyway, see you guys, have a nice evening. I will get back to you again later on.